Hi everyone, welcome to our CT DevOps course. Today is the first class of our Terraform module. So where I will explain what is Terraform and why we use Terraform, and I will also show you demo where I will create EC2 by Terraform. So in this module, I will show you only those topics which is most required as DevOps engineer. But still, if you want to know more details about Terraform, you can go this a playlist. Here I will also create a Terraform tutorial playlist. Just go to Terraform tutorial, this playlist. So here we'll find lots of other Terraform related video, like how can you install in different ways and how can you work Terraform with Ansible. Lots of different thing you can also find in this playlist. Okay, so in this 6 days module, I will show you only those things which as a DevOps engineer you must need to know. Okay, so what is infrastructure as a code? When we create a EC2, if you are in EC2, you already know you need to go to launch instance, then select the EC2 OS instance type, security group, lots of things you need to select and do step by step. Instead of do these things, you just do a simple command and that will create the EC2. Okay, so infrastructure code means and provision infrastructure using code instead of manual setup. Okay, then lots of tools is out there in the market. In the most a common tool is Terraform, and this is the most usable tools as a DevOps engineer in the right now. So if you are using AWS, then AWS has a infrastructure code tools which is CloudFormation. So if you know the CloudFormation, you already know by this some command, AWS will create the infrastructure, but this thing only work on AWS. That's why it's this is some dependable, so you can't use GCP or Azure. There is also lots of common is plumbing, but Terraform is the most DevOps engineers using. Okay, so benefit repeatability, scalability, version control, automation. So lots of benefit if you're using Terraform. For installing Terraform, it's a simple steps, just first install, you get an unzip, then download this link, unzip this one, move this file to user local bin, then you can see Terraform version. But in my PC, I have already installed Terraform. So if you click this, you can see this Terraform is installed and this version is this. Okay, so for creating a file, just create a folder, then just go to that folder, just create this simple file. So in this file, we are using AWS, that's why we are mentioned provider is AWS. If you use different cloud provider, then you need to mention that one here. And region, which region I will want to create the EC2, that one also mentioned. So US East 1, I want to create the EC2 in the US East 1 region. Then resource, I want to create a resource which is AWS instance. Then I give the name of the resource in my underscore EC2. This is name, any name you can provide it here. Then you need to put your AMI, and then you need to what type of instance you need to use. Then you can put tag. There is lots of other attributes we can use, but in the simple way, we just need this thing to create a EC2. And this AMI, Amazon machine image, is a frequently change of the region. So we need to change this one. So just copy this file and go to the control panel and do the file. Okay. So create a file. This file name anything you can put. Just make sure you need to make the extension .tf. So then copy this code. So we need to change the AMI, because I already told you this image name changing frequently. So go to your EC2 and click launch instance, and we are in US East 1. You can see there is an image name, but you can't get it copied. So for copying, you just go to the browse more AMIs. Then you can see all AMI have a different ID. So this one is this one is different. So just copy this one if you want. This Amazon is 2023. So if you want to like Red Hat, then image is different. So every region has different image. So now go to that file. You need to just change the AMI ID. Okay, and rest of the thing I want to keep it same. EC2 ET2 micro is fine and tag is fine also. So one thing you need to make sure, like when you try to like create any like service in AWS, you need to like authenticate your local PC to your AWS. I already showed this thing. So make sure that AWS like S3 is showing. That means this account is properly connected from our local PC. Let me clear this screen. And for like running any Terraform 5, we need to like there is 3 command like Terraform plan, and one command we need to like install like Terraform init. So like if you LL, there is only one file, but running AWS resources, there is some dependency need in my local PC. So if you run Terraform init, then it will download all those things. Okay, so if you go to the documentation, I put all command in here. So Terraform init, so it will download all related like package or something need to run this command. It will download all these things. Then like if you run Terraform apply, it will show you what will do by Terraform. That thing is Terraform plan. So if you want, you can skip this also. So but this one Terraform apply, if you run Terraform apply, then it will like actually create the EC2. And if you don't want to use, it will ask for basically yes. So if you don't want to like want that it will not ask the yes, then you can just put the dash auto approve, then it will not ask the yes. After creating the EC2, you can like same way you can Terraform destroy, you can delete the EC2. Okay, so it will take like some time, depends on our internet speed. So let me pause the video. So when it will done, you can see some green line is here. It will show all everything is downloaded. So let me pause the video, and when it's ready, I will come back again. So it's downloaded initially successfully. So now if you want to run Terraform plan, it will basically tell you what is going to do. So it will basically create EC2, that will show you here. You can see is plan is going to create EC2, and like plus sign means it will create, and if it show minus, that means it will delete that thing. So you can skip this command. So main command is the Terraform plan. So if you type Terra, then if you like tab, then it will complete the Terraform, then like apply. So now if you like want to skip the yes thing, then you can just type dash auto approve. So just show you like how yes is coming. So Terraform apply, just put enter. So it will like ask for the confirmation. So you can see this is for confirmation. So if you type yes, then basically it will create the EC2. So it's a simple EC2, so it will not that much time, like within 30 to 40 seconds it will create the EC2. So like if you want to skip this yes thing, then you just add to dash auto approve, then it will not ask the yes thing. So you can see EC2 is created, and you give the EC2 ID. So if you now go to the AWS EC2 instance, you can see this one is created, is running, that one is the previous one. So EC2 is created. Okay, so now if you want to like delete this thing, just you can type Terraform destroy, and same way if you want to skip the yes thing, you can just add dash approve. Okay, so you can see like how easy we can create like all infrastructure in AWS. This is a simple EC2, but when we are creating like 1 or 2 EC2, RDS, security group, VPC, lots of things we can create by Terraform. So like in the a Terraform project, I can show you like one big project where I will create all infrastructure by a simple command. And the advantage, like if you want to destroy the full infrastructure, you just destroy Terraform destroy, then it will destroy everything. So if you want to create the infrastructure, then you just click Terraform apply. So this way basically we can save lots of money. Like when you are start in the office, you just create the infrastructure. So when you are going out from the office, just Terraform destroy. So when you trying to do manually, lots of things you can skip. So but when you're using the code, no steps you will missing. Okay, so now if you want to delete Terra, then you can put tab, it will complete the command Terraform destroy, then dash auto approve. Now it will not ask the yes thing. Okay, but make sure, sometimes we do mistakenly do, if you use this command, then it will not reconfirm you. So maybe you can miss something. So when you put Terraform apply, then you can see what is going to adding, and if you do some mistake, then you can skip that one and you can put cancel. But if you you add the auto approve, it will don't ask you for the confirmation, so it will delete everything. So make sure when using auto approve, so it will delete the EC2 within 30 to 40 seconds. Again, it depends on your internet speed. So let me wait for 30 seconds. So go to the documentation, what command I use, I put everything here. So make sure this command you need to run only one time. If it initialize and download everything, then you don't need to run this command again and again. You just need to Terraform apply auto approve, it will create the infrastructure, and when you don't want the infrastructure, just Terraform destroy auto approve, it will delete the infrastructure. You can see how easy it is. Okay, so let me check you can see it's destroyed. Now if you go to the AWS and make the refresh button, and you can see that EC2 will be gone. You can see no EC2 is running now. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. In the next video, I will discuss in different topics of Terraform. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.